Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. Your company uses Azure Artifacts for package management. You need to configure an upstream source in Azure Artifacts for Python packages. Which repository type should you use as an upstream source? Option A, npmjs.org. Option B, PyPI. Option C, Maven Central. Option D, third-party trusted Python. To configure an upstream source in Azure Artifacts for Python packages, you should use PyPI. PyPI is the default and widely accepted repository for Python packages, making it the correct choice for managing Python packages in Azure Artifacts. The other options, such as npmjs.org and Maven Central, cater to different programming languages like JavaScript and Java respectively, and are not suitable for Python packages. Question 2. You configure Azure Application Insights in the Shared Service Plan tier for a web app. You enable smart detection. You confirm that standard metrics are visible in the logs, but when you test a failure, you do not receive a smart detection notification. What prevents the smart detection notification from being sent? Option A. You must enable the snapshot debugger for the web app. Option B. Smart detection uses the first 24 hours to establish the normal behavior of the web app. Option C. The web app is configured to use the Shared Service Plan tier. Option D. You must restart the web app before smart detection is enabled. Smart detection in Azure. Application Insights requires a baseline of normal application behavior before it can accurately detect anomalies. This baseline is typically established over the first 24 hours after enabling smart detection, which means notifications for detected issues will not be sent during this initial learning period. Question 3. You manage a project by using Azure Board, and you manage the project code by using Azure repos. You have a bug work item that has an ID of 123. You need to set the work item's state to resolved. What should you add to the commit message? Option A, 123 completes. Option B, resolves a B 123. Option C, verifies number 123. Option D, fixes number 123. In Azure repos, using the keyword fixes, followed by the work item ID in the commit message indicates that the related bug or issue has been resolved. This integrates the code commit with the corresponding work item, automatically changing its state to resolve. Question 4. You plan to onboard 10 new developers. You need to recommend a development environment that meets the following requirements. Integrates with GitHub, provides integrated debugging tools, supports remote workers and hot desking environments, supports developers who use browsers, tablets, and Chromebooks. What should you recommend? Option A, VS Code. Option B, Xamarin Studio. Option C, MonoDevelop. Option D, GitHub Codespaces. GitHub Codespaces integrates seamlessly with GitHub, provides integrated debugging tools, and supports various devices including browsers, tablets, and Chromebooks. Its ability to maintain consistent development environments makes it ideal for remote workers and hot desking scenarios. Question 5. You scan a Node.js application using WhiteSource Bolt. The scan finds numerous libraries with invalid licenses, but are only used during development. You have to make sure that only production dependencies are scanned by WhiteSource Bolt. Which of the following is a command you should run? Option A, npm edit. Option B, npm publish. Option C, npm install. Option D, npm update. To ensure that only production dependencies are installed and scanned by WhiteSource Bolt, use the npm install command with the -- production flag. The default npm install command will install both production and development dependencies. So specifying the -- production flag is crucial to exclude development dependencies from the install process. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.